Hey guys, it's me again, and I'm going to do an unboxing of this Butters the Paladin figure. Hopefully my camera won't fall. So yeah, it comes with Butters and his little hammer, and the box art is really neat. I really like it personally. Collect them all and copyright stuff. So let's see if we can get this camera on a stand or something. Hold on. Oh my god. I may just have to hold this. Okay, so just get this opened. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand. I must say so myself. And here goes Butters. And here he is, not out of the plastic, of course, but here he is. Oh, his hammer is right there. Okay. Let me just put that right there. Hold on, just give me a second. All right. So, we almost got Butters out. Not again. Okay. So here is the Butters figure himself. Articulation in the head and the arms, like most Kidrobots. Probably not so much in the back with his arms though, because of the cape. And for his accessory, it comes with this little hammer, which is right here. Nope. Still not standing. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I picked this up at Barnes & Noble today for $9.95. If you didn't see the bottom, it said that, so. Alright, here's the hammer or something. I'm not sure if you should call it a hammer, but I'm assuming that Butters can hold it, there you go. Here is Butters. It's falling. I'll just put him like this. So, yeah. This was a great figure to buy, and I would suggest to actually collect them all. I might try doing that. So, see ya. Bye.